Finally, there are a lot of things confirmed regarding the Galaxy S23 Ultra, where we even get some of the new benchmarks of Galaxy S23 Ultra, and they are getting better as we are getting closer to the launch of Galaxy S23 Ultra. Yes, the benchmarks are increased, and we even get the display information included, some of the exclusive feature we only see on the S23 Ultra, all in this video. As Anthony shared a new Geekbench score of Galaxy S23 Ultra, and the single core score is 1545 and 4920 multi-core score. But this is improving as the normal Snapdragon 2 based other Android smartphones score much more than this, as the recent Geekbench score is out for the Xiaomi 13, where the single core score is 1507 and 5343 multi-core score. Although the Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with a special edition Snapdragon 2, which will be overclocked at 3.36 GHz instead of 3.19. So right now, Galaxy S23 Ultra is not fully optimized just because of the initial testing. As Aishin stated, the Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with the highest frequency processor at 3.36 GHz, but with the lowest multi-core score. So Samsung needs to improve this with the time before the launch. But as we all know, benchmarks are not the best way to put a final verdict. Let me know in the comments, are you guys happy with the performance of Galaxy S23 Ultra? And make sure to subscribe to the channel. It's hard to believe, but Samsung is going to put this new feature on Galaxy S23 Ultra, which we have seen on the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it is the new satellite feature. But Samsung's satellite feature will be different than what we have seen on the iPhone 14 Pro Max, where Samsung will allow users to share text messages and low-resolution picture, which is amazing. They partnered with Iridium to make this possible on the S23 Ultra, although Google and Qualcomm is also on this way to make it compatible with both hardware and software. The new camera features on the Galaxy S23 Ultra is also really amazing, where the new 200 megapixel camera will be protected with the new Gorilla Glass, which is close to Apple Sapphire Glass, and with this new glass, the image quality and the low light imaging will be improved. For the first time in Galaxy device, S23 Ultra will going to feature sensor shift stabilization, along with 8K video recording with 30 FPS and 4K video at 120 FPS. Samsung is also going to add a new portrait video mode, which will allow users to record video at 2.8K or 4K. And the Galaxy S23 Ultra will get 3 shooting modes: 200 megapixel, 50 megapixel, and 12 megapixel. Finally, Samsung gave what people wanted. Samsung is going to launch Galaxy S23 Ultra in the first week of Feb, and phones will hit the market on 17th of Feb with great pre-order deals. If you guys want to know about the price and the pre-order deals of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.